GMC Sierra AT4 represents a great way to go off-road for those with elevated taste. It's shown here at the 2018 International Auto Show in New York, but it's not just a car, it represents something more. We'll get to that in a second. Oh, and also it's a truck. I know it's a truck and not a car. Please don't correct me, it sickens me. First off, let's talk about the AT4's mechanical off-road credentials, which include a 2-inch lift, standard 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case, off-road Rancho shock absorbers, a locking rear differential, and a front skid plate. None of that stuff is earth-shattering in a world of Raptors and Colorado ZR2s, but if you're trudging through the wilderness, a locking rear differential and skid plates don't hurt. Aesthetically, the Sierra AT4 shines with dark accents inside and out, though contrast stitching inside and red tow hooks help brighten things up. From a functionality standpoint, the Sierra AT4 comes with GMC's Multi-Pro tailgate, which works a little something like this. You can flip it down, then flip down this other section, and then if you push this red button right here, look, it's a step, and you can just climb right on in. Oh, and you can also, if you put it up in this position, you can more easily grab your stuff in there. It's a pretty neat tailgate. In addition to the Multi-Pro tailgate, the Sierra AT4 will be offered with GMC's Carbon Pro pickup box, which swaps typical interior steel panels for highly resilient yet light carbon fiber. Ah, neat. Power and fuel economy figures haven't been revealed, but we do know that buyers will have their choice of a 5.3 or 6.2-liter V8, as well as an all-new Duramax 3-liter inline 6-cylinder diesel engine. The 5.3 V8 will come with an 8-speed automatic, while the 6.2 and the diesel will utilize a 10-speed automatic. On the tech front, the Sierra AT4 will offer automatic emergency braking, a head-up display, and one of our favorite technologies, a 360-degree camera system. The 2019 GMC Sierra AT4 will arrive in dealerships in the fall of 2018, but the bigger news is that within 2 years, there's going to be an AT4 version of every single vehicle in GMC's stable. That is great news for people who like off-roading in style.